Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about this question paper, period April 2016, Business Statistics. This question paper contains 12 2 marks, 7 5 marks, and 5 10 marks. Now we have to start with 2 marks. The first question is how to collect the primary data. The first point is a direct personal investigation. Second one is indirect oral investigation. Third one is information through correspondence. Fourth one is by sending questionnaires by mail. அதாவது ப்ரைமரி டேட்டா எப்படி கலெக்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி கொஷின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நான் டேரெக்டாக அவர்கிட்ட போய்ட்டு டேரெக்டாக கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்படின்னா இன்டெரக்டாக பேசுறது மூலம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இல்லை இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் த்ரூ த கரஸ்பாண்டன்ஸ், ஏதாச்சும் வேறு யார்ட்டையாச்சும் சொல்லி கரஸ்பாண்டன்ஸாக நான் டீட்டெயில் கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்படின்னா பை சென்டிங் கொஷினரிஸ் பை மெயில் பண்ணி கொஷினரிஸில் நான் ஃபில் பண்ணி ஒரு ஆன்சரை கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Second one is simple bar diagram. A simple bar diagram represents the magnitude of a single variable like sales, protection, profits. அதாவது ஏதாவது ஒரு பேராமீட்டரை வச்சு நான் பார் டயக்ராம் பண்ணேன். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் சிம்பிள் பார் டயக்ராம். தேர்ட் கால்குலேட் மோட். டிஸ்கிரிட் டேட்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 6 மேக்ஸிமம் டைம்ஸ் வந்திருக்கிறதுனால மோட் இஸ் 6. The fourth is write the merits of median. It is easy to understand, it is easily determined, it is unaffected by extreme values. Fifth one is define kurtosis. Kurtosis is a measure of flatness or peakness of a distribution. Kurtosis is measured by the coefficient gamma 2 is equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square minus 3 or beta 2 is equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. The sixth question is no correlation. Two variables are said to be uncorrelated if the changes in the value of one variable has no correlation with changes in the value of others. அதாவது ரெண்டு வேரியபிளுக்கும் எந்த ஒரு சம்மந்தமே இல்லாமல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா தட்ஸ் கால் நோ கார்லேஷன். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்முடைய என்ன சொல் கலருக்கும் தலைமுடிக்கும் சம்மந்தமே இருக்காது. ஸோ நம்ம கலராக இருந்தாங்கன்னா தலைமுடி லென்த்தியாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது கிடையாது. ரெண்டுமே நோ கார்லேஷனுக்கான ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள். செவன்த் கொஷின் இஸ் ரைட் த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் கார்லேஷன் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட். த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த கார்லேஷன் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் லைஸ் பிட்வீன் -1 to +1. And second point is the correlation coefficient is unaffected by the sign of origin of reference and scale of reference. Eighth question is write the normal equation for trend line. The normal equations are NA plus B into summation x equal to summation y, and the second equation A into summation x plus B into summation x square equal to summation xy. The ninth question is write the components of time series. The four components of time series are: first one is secular trend, second one is seasonal variation, third one is cyclical variation, fourth one is irregular variation. 10th question, write the formula for seasonal index for quarter. Seasonal index for quarter equal to quarter average by general average into 100. The 11th question is write the uses of the index number. Index numbers are widely used in connection with the decision making and analysis in business and government. Industries used in the indices of prices of raw materials and wages earning to fix the selling price of goods. 12th question is write the formula for Fisher's index for quantity. Fisher's index for quantity is square root of summation q1 p0 divided by summation q0 p0 into summation q1 p1 divided by summation q0 p1 into 100. Next we move on to 5 more questions. 13th question, calculate arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean for given data. The data is 3, 6, 24, 48. Arithmetic mean formula is summation x by n. Therefore, 81 by 4 becomes 20.25. The geometric mean formula is x1 into x2 so on up to xn the whole power 1 by n. Therefore, 3 into 6 into 24 into 48 the whole power 1 by 4. Geometric mean, which implies we can calculate this way. Geometric mean is 12. Harmonic mean formula is n by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 so on up to 1 by xn. Therefore, n is equal value is 4. Therefore, 4 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 8. We get the harmonic mean is 7.11. The next, the 14th question is find the mean deviation about mean for given data. The values and their frequency are given. The value is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Frequency is 3, 12, 18, 12, 3. So also find its coefficient. So first we have to calculate mean and then we have to find mean deviation. So table will be x, f, fx, mod x minus x bar, f into x minus x bar. First we have to calculate first three columns. X values are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then their corresponding frequencies are 3, 12, 18, 12, 3. Then fx becomes f into x. 10 3s are 30, 11 into 12 becomes 132, 12 into 18 becomes 216, 13 into 12 becomes 156, 14 and 3 becomes 42. Therefore, the capital N is total frequency, that is 48, and then summation fx becomes 576. First, we have to calculate x bar. The x bar formula is summation fx by capital N, that is 576 by 48. Therefore, x bar is 12. So we can use the formula x minus x bar, mod x minus x bar. Therefore, mod of 10 minus 12 becomes mod of minus 2. A mod function always give the positive value. Therefore, 2 we get. Therefore, 11 minus 12 becomes 1. And then 12 minus 12 becomes 0. 13 minus 12 becomes 1. 14 minus 12 becomes 2. Therefore, now we have to calculate f into mod x minus x bar. Therefore, 3 2s are 6, 12 1s are 12, 18 to 0 becomes 0, 12 1s are 12, 3 2s are 6. So we want to summation f into mod x minus x bar. Therefore, we can calculate summation mod f into x minus bar equal to 36. We know that formula mean deviation about mean formula becomes summation f into x minus x bar by capital N. Therefore, here mod f into x minus x bar is 36. Therefore, 36 by 48. Therefore, we get mean deviation about the mean is 0.75. Next, we have to calculate coefficient of mean deviation about mean. That is, the formula is mean deviation about mean divided by mean. Therefore, the mean deviation about mean is 0.75. Therefore, mean is 12. Therefore, we get 0.0625. That is the coefficient of mean deviation about mean is 0.0625.